Mergent Intellect. This will be the database that we will be focusing on today.
Our objectives are how to access Mergent Intellect and how to identify industry reports within Mergent Intellect. To access Mergent, you're going to use the Marketing Library Research Guide. You will select the Company and Industry Information tab, and you will find Mergent Intellect listed under the Company and Industry databases. On the Marketing Library Research Guide, under Company Industry Information, you're going to find the Mergent Intellect database. You're going to select it. From there, you're going to be taken to the Mergent Intellect database, where you'll be able to start searching for your company. Now, if you're not sure how to start this, Mergent here has some help guides and how-to videos. We're going to be watching one of their how-to videos. So if you'd like to follow along, you can select how-to, and then we're going to do the quick research guide.
Please note the chapter markers on the screen. Please note the chapter markers on the screen. These will allow you to jump ahead to a specific section of the video. The quick search toolbar is used when you know the specific company name, an executive name, an industry, or to find new U.S. businesses. Please note that the default will have this box checked. If you would like your results to return international companies, uncheck this box. Let's say you want to research Oracle Corporation. Just start by typing the name or company ticker symbol and click on it once you see it appear in the drop-down box. This will bring you right to the company details page. From here, you can also search on these other tabs: financial details, industry details, executive details, and family tree. If you were looking for information on Oracle's CEO, Lawrence Ellison, you would just click on the Executive tab and type his name. Once you see the name and title you're looking for, you click on the name and you'll be taken to their contact page. The Industry tab is great if you know which industry you're looking to research. Just type in keywords such as software publishers, and you'll see any industry containing those words appear, as well as the accompanying SIC or NAICS code. If you know the exact industry code you're searching for, then type that in. Click on the industry, and all the companies in that classification will show up in your results. If you want to refine this further, click on View Results, where you can then filter your results by sales, number of employees, ownership type, location, or country. The Quick Search feature also offers users a simple and fast way to find any new U.S. businesses within a city, state, or zip code. You can either enter one of those criteria in the search bar or pick a state on the interactive map. Let's select North Carolina. Click the state and it automatically takes you to the results, where you can further filter by sales, number of employees, location, state, city, or zip code. This is a great tool for business owners since it's always smart to know who is opening up around you.